Welcome my dear followers. Today I will give you a wonderful cookie recipe without using flour and oil. I used 2 packets of whole wheat biscuits. Add the biscuits into the bowl in small pieces. Then I pulled it from the robot and turned it into flour. Add coconut with 200 milliliters glass measure on it. Small glass of finely ground hazelnuts. Add a small glass of finely ground walnuts. And add a small glass of powdered sugar. Mix it well. And add 3 egg whites. Knead well. The collected dough will have a consistency like this. Break off walnut-sized pieces and roll them. Prepare all the dough like this. Friends, your support is very important. Please don't forget to subscribe. I got 22 cookies, as much as I gave. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 8 minutes. While the cookies are baking, prepare the chocolate sauce. 80 grams milk chocolate. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and melt it in a bain-marie. The cookies are baked after 8 minutes. We leave it to cool. Meets chocolate sauce. This is how I prepare all cookies. I decorated it and used peanuts and hazelnuts. The taste is perfect. You must try it. Thanks for watching me. See you in the next video.